Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clean your jewelry at home today with some simple things. An old toothbrush, baking soda, and if you want to, you can get some tarnish from like Walgreens or CVS, whatever. First thing you do is start with a little water. I'm just putting enough in here to make a paste. So I'm going to go underneath, and then I'm just scrub it up real good. Do it over the sink because it's kind of messy. And you really want it to be a paste, not a liquid. So there it is, and you can use your fingers and rub up in there. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, there, all nice and shiny. Now we're going to do it with a chain. Same thing, gonna wet it. Stand up here, we're going to put a little bit on there. This one you just rub it vigorously, you know, want to get it on there. And your hands are going to turn gray because that's the tarnish coming off the oxidation. Takes about that long. And there it is. On. So it looks a little better. If you're going to do a chain, you're going to pour a little bit. You don't need much. This smells really bad, so it's like the smell of rotten eggs. I'm gonna duck this one in there. This one you don't leave in there long. Chunk it in there, shake it around, pull it out, and rinse. It's important that you rinse it. If you leave it in here, you'll have to come see me and then I'll have to polish everything out. But if you rinse it nicely, I know you guys want air at home, but there you go. And that's how you clean your jewelry at home.